AI does one thing, it predicts the next word. But how it learns that skill and how it uses it are completely different operations. And this difference? It's worth about $1 billion. Your brain is a prediction machine too. You hear a car approaching, you know it's coming before you see it. But AI, it only predicts in one dimension, just text. One word at a time. Let's start with training, where the magic happens and where the billions of dollars go. The entire training process is one loop, repeated trillions of times. Step 1, feed a sentence with the last word hidden, the cat sat on the blank. Step 2, the model predicts using its current parameters, and it guesses. Banana. Yeah, wrong. Step 3, calculate the error. How far is banana from the correct answer, Matt? This distance is called the loss function. Step 4, adjust every single parameter, nudge all 5 trillion numbers slightly in the right direction. Each change is tiny, a fraction of a percent. But multiply that across 5 trillion parameters and trillions of training steps, and the model goes from predicting banana to predicting Matt. That's gradient descent in action. Now let's talk inference. When you open ChatGPT and type a message, that's inference. Training is over. The parameters are frozen, locked, read-only. No learning is happening whatsoever. Inference works one token at a time. You write a professional email to reschedule a meeting. The model predicts, subject, done, add it, then colon, done, then request. To reschedule, one by one, token by token. Here's where it gets wild. Every single token prediction requires the model to reread all previous tokens. Your prompt is 50 tokens, the answer is 100 tokens. By the end, the model is rereading 150 tokens for every new word. That's why longer conversations get slower, more to reread each time. Long answers cost more, each token requires more compute. And there's a context limit, 128K tokens max, then older messages get cut off. And this is why output tokens cost 4 times more than input tokens. Each output token requires its own prediction pass and rereading all previous tokens. Input tokens, processed in one parallel operation, much cheaper. Here's the single most important distinction you need to remember. During training, parameters change, they adjust with every prediction step. That's how the model learns. During inference, parameters are frozen, read-only. The model uses what it learned but never updates. And here's what blows people's minds: your conversations don't teach the model anything. When your chat ends, nothing was learned. The model is identical before and after your conversation. That's why ChatGPT doesn't remember you across sessions. Think of it this way. Training is like school, expensive, done once, shapes who you are. Inference is like taking an exam, cheap, unlimited attempts. You just use what you already know. That's the billion-dollar difference. Next episode, we tackle the context window. What does 128K tokens actually mean? Why does AI forget what you said 5 minutes ago? And why does your conversation suddenly get dumber halfway through? See you there.